COVID-19 question, what to do if you can't find a mask anywhere? A little bit of history here. Some folks are reusing their mask because they can't find mask anywhere. And some people have even ventured to cut out a bra and securing with some strings. In the previous video, I showed you how to make a mask using paper towel, rubber band, and tape. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mask out of scratch paper. Okay. So take any scratch paper or stationery paper and you fold it along the long edge. Fold that long edge half, and then you fold it again in half until you form a smaller rectangle. Open that paper and fold the corner so that way you form a sharp point on one side, and then you fold the edge of the other side down 1 inch. Flip it around and fold the side edge down 1 inch so that you form a triangle now. Open up the bottom like a hat now, and you fold that hat in half. Fold it again until you form a square. You want to fix the corner there. Fix the corner and then punch a hole about 1 inch into that corner with a hole puncher. And afterwards you can secure that corner with some tape if you wish to make it more sturdy. And then tie a rubber band or string, put it through the hole, and make a knot like so. Okay, and if you want more filtration in your mask, you can always place some Kleenex tissue into it. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching how to make a mask out of scratch paper. Stay safe and take care of each other.